If you're this far in the video series, you already understand how search campaigns work. But even Google Ads veterans commonly skip best practices when it comes to campaign settings and optimization. In this video, you'll learn the right campaign settings and the best ways to optimize your campaigns. After building a search campaign, it's a good idea to double-check your campaign settings before activating the campaign. Start in your search campaign and then click the Settings tab. Let's explore a few important campaign settings. First, we'll review networks. Click the Networks drop-down menu and ensure that you're opted into Search Partners. Search Partners are websites who use the Google search engine. This setting gives you a larger opportunity for your ads to appear when someone is looking for your product or service. Although the display network is the default option, be sure to opt out of it. The display network is best used for remarketing or customer prospecting, since it shows your ads on websites outside of Google search. It's recommended to build these campaigns separately from your search campaigns so that you can solely focus on search performance. Now let's discuss your location settings. Defining your location is extremely important if you have different landing pages or budgets for different countries, or if you only provide service in specific countries or areas. So be sure to target the right city, country, or region. Choose your language setting. This setting lets you show your ads in the preferred language of potential customers who use Google products and third-party websites. Now click on Additional Settings and select Ad Rotation. Select Optimize, Prefer Best Performing Ads. This Optimize setting shows ads that are expected to get more clicks or conversions within an ad group more frequently. Keep Optimize as your default. You can also review all of your campaign settings in one view. Make sure you're in the All Campaigns view and click the Settings tab. You can then check that all your campaigns run on the search network with search partners, but not with display, target the right location, and that ad rotation is optimized. Now that you have your campaign set up properly and all of your ad groups, ads, and keywords set up in it, it's time to enable your campaign. But your work doesn't end here. You should continually optimize your campaigns. Here's how to optimize your search campaigns. First, use your search term report regularly. See what search terms triggered your ad and decide which search terms should be added as negative keywords, which search terms brought conversions and should be added as exact keywords, and which search terms have a slightly different theme and should be separated to a more relevant ad group. Second, continue analyzing your ads. Your performance data can inform you of what headlines and descriptions work well, so you can keep experimenting with different wording. Do this while ensuring you have at least 2 expanded text ads and 1 responsive search ad in each ad group. And third, check the recommendations page to see your optimization score. Optimization score is an estimate of how well your Google Ads account is set to perform. The score ranges from 0 to 100%. This can help you work smarter and free up more bandwidth to think strategically. Along with the optimization score, you'll see a list of recommendations that can help you optimize each campaign. After you implement some of these recommendations, your score should increase immediately. Now that you know how to set up and optimize your search campaigns, it's time to start thinking about reaching more audiences through Google Display.